Hey there! Today's soap is Harvest Berry Buckle, and we're going to talk about the oh so controversial subject of buckles versus cobblers versus crisps, and I think there's even one called a Betty. I've gotten into debates on Facebook about this very subject, but according to the Farmer's Almanac, a cobbler is a fruit mixture with a biscuity type topping, whereas a buckle, it's a fruit and cake mixture with a streusel type topping. And when it bakes, the fruit and cake together buckle up the surface of the streusel. You know, expecting a nice flat pie surface, you have a buckled surface instead. So that's where that name comes from. This is, of course, the berry color. Every time I work with a red, it gets on everything. It'll be all over my gloves, my table. I'm a slob with red. Now this is the fragrance oil. It's called Spiced Harvest Berries. Yeah, look at my glove over there. Oh my goodness. So the red soap is the fruit mixture, obviously, and then I'm going to layer in several, well, these will represent the cake, and you'll only see it from the side once the soap is sliced. Okay, to me, as that plops in, I'm getting raspberry sherbet vibes. Is it sherbet or sherbet? I don't know. That can be another debate. These little cake pieces are actually some leftover pie crust pieces in their former life. They're pieces that I used to be the topping for an apple pie soap. And I made way too many crust pieces. So, same way that our grannies would tell us, waste not, want not, as they were making the buckle or crisp or cobbler. I don't know that my granny ever made cobblers or crisps. My mom made a lot of fruit crisps when I was little. And according to the Farmer's Almanac, and who's going to question that? A fruit crisp is where fruit is topped with a topping that has oats specifically, but also butter and brown sugar, sometimes nuts. And that's how my mom made it all the time. My granny made pies, and she made loads of pies. She could make the flakiest pie crust. But I don't know that I remember her making any cobblers or buckles or brown betties. Oh, and if you're interested, a brown betty, again, according to the Farmer's Almanac, a brown betty. It's almost the fruit version of a lasagna. It layers fruit and kind of pie crust layers together. I'll put a link in the description box to the Farmer's Almanac page with all these different definitions. So this is supposed to represent the streusel-y layer. I just drizzled some gold mica mixed into oil on the top and then stirred it up quite a lot. The inside is cute. There's all of our little cake pieces. I love it. I liked this color because when I make a fruit smoothie in my blender, I use a frozen fruit. It's all a bunch of different kinds of berries frozen together. And there's strawberries and blueberries and raspberries and blackberries, but when you put them in the blender, this is the exact color that it makes. It's such a vivid, bright color. And there is my harvest berry buckle. Well, this is going to be my little sample piece. Thank you for watching. I hope you have a great day.